Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2017 Harley Davidson Street Bob. This is a FXDB Dyna Street Bob with a lot of nice upgrades. 103 cubic inch. It's got 12-inch West Coast T-bars, a Vans Cult brown grips, black levers, black mirrors, Daymaker headlight, Crater T-Sport fairing, S&S Stealth air cleaner, a beautiful brushed aluminum Bassani RR3 exhaust, Vance & Hines FP3 tuner, Lucky Dave's brown diamond stitched leather seat. It's got a Bun King LED taillight, Drag Specialties license plate bracket. This bike has only 4,600 miles. Beautiful satin black. Come by, make your Harley dreams come true. Only for this weekend. It's $12,999. If you don't come by and buy it by Tuesday, we're getting rid of it to an auction. So don't miss out on your fantastic Harley Davidson, way below book value. Check it out. I'll fire it up for you. Check us out on the web, www.contracostps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful